Assalamualaikum kids, hope that you all are doing good. Well, this is your English teacher with another interesting text lesson today. But before I start my lesson, I got to show you something. I have an interesting riddle for you. Well, do you know what a riddle is? A riddle is a question that has a surprising or amusing answer. So let's move towards our today's riddle. I am ugly, scary, and white. You can see me at night. So do you know who am I? Any guesses? Yes, your guess is absolutely right. I am a monster. So my dear kids, our today's text lesson is unit number 2 on page number 10. Well, do you know monsters don't sleep under your bed. They sleep inside your head. So you must be strong, fearless and be brave. Now open page number 10, unit number 2 and lesson number 3, the hungry monster. First we are going to read this unit. You have to listen to me very carefully. You have to listen to my pronunciation and focus on the reading. Now put your finger on the first word. The question is given here in exercise A, page number 10. Before I start the reading, is the monster good or bad? So first we have to read the story to find out the answer. This is Mango Django. He is a monster. He has red ears, green wings. He has a long blue tail and 6 legs. As you can see that in the first picture, there is a monster. His name is Mango Django. He is a very scary monster and he is a very peculiar monster because he has green wings. His tail is long and blue and he has, let me count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs. So he seems to be very strange. Now let's move towards the next picture. In the next picture, as you can see that here are Sarah, Ali and Fiza. Now here Sarah and Fiza are sisters. Ali is their brothers. They are all at home. Now as you can see that they are sitting in a TV lounge. So they must be sitting inside their house. And these 3 kids are siblings. Sarah sees the monster. She is afraid. Help, she says. There is a monster. So she runs away. Now here what happened? Sarah sees the monster first and she got very frightened. So she says that everyone should run away. Now in the next picture, then Ali sees the monster. Now in the next picture, what happened? Sarah's brother Ali sees the monster and he got too frightened and they both started running away from the monster. He is afraid to help. He says, there is a monster. He runs away too. Now let's move towards our next page, which is page number 11, and let's continue the reading. The monster looks at Fiza. Now who were left there? Sarah and Ali were afraid, so they ran away. The last kid was Fiza. So the monster looks at Fiza. Can you help me? He asked. I am very thirsty. Please give me some water. Fiza is not afraid. Now here Fiza is a very brave girl. She is very fearless. So she did not get frightened by the monster. Here you are, she says. She gives him some water. Thank you, says Mango Django. Now do you remember what was the name of the monster? His name was Mango Django. He drinks the water. The monster looks at Fiza. Now as you can see in the first picture on page number 11, the monster is looking at Fiza. Can you help me? He asks. I am very hungry. Now after having plenty of water, he was feeling very hungry. Please give me some mangoes. So as according to his name is Mango Django. So he was willing to have some mangoes. Here you are, she says. She gives him some mangoes. Thank you, says Mango Django. He eats the mangoes. Now after giving him some water, Fiza also gave him some mangoes. And he was very thankful to Fiza for giving him some mangoes to eat. The monster is happy now. He is very sleepy too because after having some meal, when we eat something, when our stomach is full, so we feel sleepy. So the monster was also very sleepy. He sits under the chair. Then he goes to sleep. Good monster, says Fiza. Now, Our reading along with explanation is finished here. Now, as I have mentioned that in the start there was one question given, that is the monster good or bad. Now, when we ended up the chapter, in the last we have read that Fiza said good monster. So what do you think? Was the monster good or bad? Did he terrify the kids? Did he eat them? Did he do something bad with them? No, not at all. He was just thirsty and he was just hungry. And after having all these things, after fulfilling his needs, he went to sleep soundly and he did not disturb any one of them. So the answer of this question is the monster was good. Now let's move towards some of our difficulties of today's. Now let me rub this scary riddle. But as I have told you that monsters do not sleep under your bed. They sleep inside your head. So it's all about our bravery, our courage. We should be very brave, fearless and strong. Now these are our today's difficult words. The first word is monster. M-O-N-S-T-E-R, monster. The second word is tail. T-A-I-L, tail. Our next word is afraid. A-F-R-A-I-D, afraid. Our next word is away. A-W-A-Y. The next word is thirsty. T-H-I-R-S-T-Y. Our second last word is hungry. H-U-N-G-R-Y. And our last word is sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Now here we have one text exercise. On page number 11, there is one exercise given that you have to use the words in the box to complete the sentences. Now here some incomplete sentences are given which you have to complete by understanding the story. So now let's move towards this text exercise, which is exercise B on page number 11. The first sentence which is given here is, what color are the monster's wings? His name is Mango Django. This was the example. Now let's move toward the first point. What color are the monster wings? His wings are dash. Well, do you remember that what were the color of the monster wings? Do you remember? Look at the picture. His wings are green. So we write down green here. The monster's wings were green. Now let's move towards our next incomplete sentence, which is, what do Sarah and Ali do? They dash away. Well, do you remember what happened in the start when Sarah and Ali saw the monster? What did they do? They ran away. Now moving towards the third one, what does Fiza do? She gives him some dash and some dash. Well, do you remember that Fiza was a very kind girl, and what did she do? She gave something to the monster. Well, do you remember what were these things? Yes, she gave him some water to drink and some mangoes to eat. As his name is also Mango Django, so he is very fond of eating mangoes. Now let's move towards our last sentence, which is, what does the monster do? He goes to sleep under the dash. Well, do you remember that after having his meal, after feeling stomach full, what did he do? Where did he go to sleep? He slept under the chair. So my dear kids, this was our today's chapter. It was all about a monster, but not a bad monster. It all depends on us, how we think, how we observe. Everyone is nice if we are nice. So be nice, be strong and be healthy. Now we have a GK topic here. We have some questions of GK also. So I am continuing my lesson. These are the oral questions of GK which you have to understand carefully and which you have to memorize. GK is a general knowledge, a knowledge regarding every general thing. Well, do you remember one thing, that we should know something about everything and everything about something. Mark my words, we should know something about everything and everything about something. So now today we have 3 GK questions. Our first question is, what is your national dress? The answer is very simple. We all used to wear, like today, right now, what am I wearing? I am wearing shalwar kameez. So your national dress is shalwar kameez. Our next question is, what is your national language? Well, what is your mother tongue? What do we have to speak every day? We speak Urdu. So our national language is Urdu. Now let's move towards our today's last question. What is your national game? Well, the answer is hockey. Our national game is hockey. Now let's repeat one more time that what is our national dress? It is shalwar kameez. What is our national language? It is Urdu. And what is our national game? It is hockey. Well, this is our today's lesson. I'll catch you next week inshallah with another lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.